let's do this. If you've seen the title, I know it must be shocking that in 2019, if somebody says that this is my first Apple product, what the fuck, right? Because even kids have iPhones these days. But for me, this is the reality. Yes, this is the first Apple product that I own, and take a note of that I own, because I'm an ex-techie and I have spent some time around Apple products during my cubicle life, where we used to have Mac Pros, Mac Minis, MacBooks, and of course a lot of iPhones and even iMacs. But never have I ever, am I saying it right in this YouTube herd mentality? Chalo banate hain, never have I ever ke videos. Never have I ever wanted to own an Apple product, and that is until now, and I'm gonna tell you why. I think generally at large we all know why people want Apple products. There are only two reasons that you can want Apple products for. One is for the love of technology, the latest technology that they bring in, which is, I mean, like 1 year after Android, and the other reason is to show off. And since luckily I haven't developed one of those characteristics, I never felt like owning an Apple product. Until now, in 2019, one specific product of theirs has my attention. So last whole week, I spent a couple of hours in the Microsoft store and the Apple store here in Seattle, of which I posted Instagram photos. I was scribbling on their devices, something I was doing, which I posted on Instagram. Do you guys follow me on Instagram? If you don't, you're missing all this stuff. And while I was doing that, I was honestly hoping to find a product from another company so that I don't have to own an Apple product. However, the result is that I came back with an Apple product. Well, this is an iPad, but no, I'm not talking about the iPad. It is not one of their most marketed products. It is not one of the products that appeal to the show-off audience, because this product is built for a specific purpose. I do have the iPad here, but that's not the product we are talking about. What I'm talking about is this, the Apple Pencil. You see, I have many passions in life apart from tech and motorcycles. I have other aspects of life which is really hard to fit inside my YouTube videos. And some of you know that art is one of them, and chillax, no, this channel is not becoming an art channel. But before I tell you how this pencil fits into our motorcycling right now and what I'm gonna use this pencil for, let's unbox this thing. Oh wait, also there is this iPad we got to unbox. I had to buy this because this works with unboxing of my first Apple product. Let's go. Do you want to unbox?
No.
Must be the worst way. I think this is Apple fans' nightmare. Will Apple fans go mad if I do this? Is this how?
Why don't you take it with hand? Maybe a trick comes.
But I'm an outdoor guy. I have to take it with sword. Right, so it's got this, the iPad, some weird stuff. What is this? Designed by Apple in California, pretty sure made in China. That's the truth of, ooh, look at this, cute. Some cable, nothing, that's it. Jeez, साले गरीब को पता ही नहीं कैसे unbox करना. Okay, next up, Apple Pencil. But made in China. That's kind of the truth in the USA with the products. Okay, let's go. Let's do this quickly. Ooh la la. I think I unboxed it wrong. Maybe this was supposed to be in here. Something like that. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Some documentation and stuff. So this is what we have in the iPad box. Obviously the iPad, और कुछ तो आ नहीं सकता. Obviously iPad box में iPad को ही आना है. It looks pretty nice. This is a, Oh boy, is there a scratch here? I don't know. What is this? What is this? It looks like this rubbed on this. I don't know why. So Apple's got this nice packing that they always do, which also is there in like OnePlus now because they try to kind of mimic Apple. Welcome to the iPad, and that's it. I think that's about it for the tutorial. I've got some Apple logos to stick on your aha. This is why I see some people have Apple logos on their car. And
you serious?
okay, so that's the iPad mess, and this is the pencil. So what we have here, that's right. So this tail just comes off like this, huh? So that's the charger, and this is the Apple Pencil version 1. I did not buy version 2 because then I'll have to buy iPad Pro or the new iPads Pro, yeah, the new iPad Pros to work on it. What did this pencil come with? One set of extra nibs. I believe this is for charging. This is if it is hard for you to figure out what to do with the Apple Pencil. Should we boot this now? I don't know how to boot it. Okay, first boot, there you go. And you can also see my recording in it. This also reminds me, I have never shown you the unboxing of my Samsung S9. There is our Pixel 3a. I have to really learn how to, do this unboxing of quick things. Do you think I should learn? Like show off, I got this. I think that's a new thing, to be a big YouTuber, we gotta know how to show off. Okay, I'm gonna configure this later. As I said, this is not a tech channel, so I'm not gonna dwell showing you the whole thing, What we are gonna talk about is why I bought this setup. You see, I like doodling, and once in a while, even since childhood, like I liked doodling, I liked drawing. And during childhood, I used to draw on my own t-shirts, and I used to wear those t-shirts. I would ask my parents to buy me like a plain t-shirt, and then I would go ahead and use fabric colors and draw on it. And anybody who studied with me, if you're watching, if you're from my school, you probably know who I am now. Also, I have previously mentioned this on my old videos. When we used to have our own merch, the t-shirts that I used to draw, and we used to have a limited time of sale, like 5 or 10 pieces. We used to have a limited sale and you guys used to get them. And yes, they were all drawn by me, and this was before some folks in the YouTube community figured out they can fool their viewers by throwing them some low effort stuff and make money like that. For example, like just putting some text on a t-shirt or their own picture or something copied, or something that indirectly praises the YouTuber itself, aka narcissism. But the worst thing has to be copying designs from others. Like, that is one worse way to make money. Now, I've been a little away from drawing t-shirts for a while now because as I go ahead in age, I'm losing the patience of sitting at a desk and drawing, because I used to use my Wacom tablet to draw those designs. And for me, that needs to be connected on the desk and I have to sit and draw here. But some of you have been asking me for the t-shirts for a very long time, and I thought this would be a good way to be able to draw without having to sit at the desk. And also, since my Bali trip in 2017, I've been having some ideas of t-shirts which I really want to pen down. It's just that sitting at the desk is not happening for me. So I'm gonna now try working on this as a workflow so that I can just start scribbling anywhere I am when I get ideas, and the result will be epic t-shirts, epic merch for you guys. And if not, if that doesn't work out as well, or I get too much busy with the North America motorcycle travel, why am I here? North America motorcycle travel, then we are going to figure out a way to get an artist, as in like hire them and pay them fairly and with strict guidelines not to copy, strict guidelines of having proper moral compass. Because personally, I hate that. I have always stood for originality and I hate seeing art being copied, and that is like one of the worst way of making money. Like, what kind of a life you would have if you want to make money like that? Truly shameless one. So anyway, back to our thing. Soon we are going to have epic t-shirts and my motorcycle bros. Now you see why this unboxing was a little relevant to us. Man, get ready for this. I can't wait to draw.